Bali Maharaj did this, surrendered to the Lord, became bound with the Lord, then all of his demoniac allies and soldiers, they became very angry with his surrender, and then they raised their weapons and attacked the Lord, the associates of the Lord. All the associates, the bodyguards or the personal associates of the Lord, they were just smiling. The Lord at that time, Lord Vamanadeva, was surrounded by his associates who were the gatekeepers of the 7 gates of Vaikuntha. There are 7 gates entering Vaikuntha Dham, each planet, Vaikuntha. The planet has 7 gates. Like the old cities in India, they had different gates. If you go to Mathura, there's Holy Gate, there's Dig Gate. There are different gates there, big arches, and there used to be 7 walls around the city. Or you go to Ranganath in South India, there are different gates or gopurams and walls surrounding the temple. At each one of these 7 gates of Vaikuntha, there are 2 gatekeepers. So at this time, in Indraloka, Vamanadeva was surrounded by 14 gatekeepers, and these 14 gatekeepers, they were smiling when they saw the demoniac associates of Bali attacking the Lord, so they immediately raised their weapons, attacked these enemies of the Lord, Bali's demoniac soldiers. Naga Ayutya Pran, that each one of these gatekeepers of Vaikuntha, they were as strong as 10,000 elephants. They're like Maharatis, Atiratis. Then the first gate of Vaikuntha is protected by Nanda and Sunanda. And the second gate is Jai and Vijay. Or maybe Jai and Vijay are at the first gate, I'm not sure. But the different gates, in one gate there's Sanda and Sunanda. At another gate there's Jai and Vijay. And at one gate there's Prabala and Bala. Another gate there's Kamud and Kumudaksha. Another gate there's Vishwaksena and Patat Trirat, who is Garuda. Another gate there's Jayanta and Shrutadev. And another gate there's Pushpadanta and Satvata. So these 14 devotees, they killed all these soldiers of the demons. Bali Maharaj saw all of his soldiers being killed. Then he preached to them. He said, listen, this is not a good time. The time is not favoring us right now. Providence is not in our favor. We won't be victorious here. Everyone should stop. Well, somehow the demoniac soldiers came to their senses and they stopped attacking the Lord and stopped being killed by the Lord's gatekeepers.